Hey guys, it's Carrie. I've chosen some of my favorite wild animals and sea animals today. Please subscribe and turn on notifications. Chimpanzee. They travel from place to place, mainly on the ground, using a form of quadrupedal walking in which the weight is borne on the knuckles. Great white shark. It is an apex predator and it has no known natural predators other than, on the very rare occasions, the orca. It is the world's largest extant macropredatory fish. Octopus. They trail their 8 appendages behind them as they swim. The siphon is used both for respiration and for locomotion by expelling a jet of water. Panda. Females use scent markings to let the males know when they're in estrus. They also have swelling in the urogenital area. With copulation, the female is in a crouching, head-down position as the male mounts her from behind. The female pushes back onto the male. Copulation lasts any time between 30 seconds and 5 minutes. The males have an S-shaped, backwardly directed penis that contains a baculum bone in the soft tissue. Green iguana. When frightened by a predator, they attempt to flee, and if near a body of water, will dive into it and swim away. If cornered by a threat, the green iguana extends and displays the dewlap under its neck, stiffens and puffs up its body, hisses and bobs its head at the aggressor. Moray eel. They reproduce by fertilization that is oviparous, when eggs and sperm are fertilized in the water outside of the womb. It's also known as spawning. Eastern chipmunk. It can climb trees well, but constructs underground nests with extensive tunnel systems, often with several entrances. It commonly transports food in pouches in its cheeks. Wolf. They are sexually mature at 2 years old, but seldom breed until they are older. In each pack, the dominant male and female are usually the ones to breed, and they prevent subordinate adults from mating by physically harassing them. Collared lizard. They are known for their bipedal locomotion, the ability to run on their 2 hind legs, and can sprint at incredible speeds of up to 24 kilometers per hour. This behavior is usually observed when trying to escape predators. Clawed lobster. They comprise a family of large marine crustaceans with long antennae, stalked eyes, and 5 pairs of jointed legs, including 1 pair modified into large pincer-like claws. Blue spotted ray. They have large protruding eyes and venomous spines positioned well back on the tail. Coral snake. Unlike many other venomous snakes that give birth to live young, coral snakes lay eggs. They are the only venomous snakes in North America to do so. Eastern coral snakes lay 6 or 7 eggs in the summer that hatch in early fall. Western coral snakes lay 2 to 3 eggs. Babies are born brightly coloured and fully venomous. Humpback whale. When it's time to breed, humpbacks make the longest migrations of any mammal, travelling 8,000 kilometres or more one way, travelling from the poles to the tropics in as little as 6 weeks. Lion. They are highly territorial. Territory size depends on prey abundance as well as access to water and denning sites. Hippopotamus. The animals breed as the dry season is ending, with the females selecting their mates. Hippos mate in the water. They will spend up to 16 hours a day submerged in rivers and lakes to keep their massive bodies cool. Hippos are graceful in the water, good swimmers, and can hold their breath underwater for 5 minutes. Reef squid are semelparous, that is, they die after reproducing. Females lay their eggs and then die immediately afterwards. The males can fertilize many females in a short period of time before they die as well. The eggs are laid in protected areas around their reefs. Red fox. Males and females are often monogamous, but males with multiple female mates are also known. Giraffe. They are the tallest mammal in the world. Even a newborn giraffe is taller than most humans. Giraffes rarely fight and are very peaceful animals. They do hit their necks against each other, but this rarely results in injury. Sea turtle. They are air-breathing reptiles that have lungs, so they regularly surface to breathe. Sea turtles spend a majority of their time underwater, so they must be able to hold their breath for long periods. A foraging sea turtle may typically spend 5 to 40 minutes underwater. Jaguar. It is grouped along with lions and tigers with the big or roaring cats and is the only such cat in the Western Hemisphere. Tiger. They live in diverse environmental conditions, from rainforests to mountains. They live in places that are always warm and moist, and places where temperatures reach -40. As long as they have enough food, cover, and water, tigers can adapt to local conditions. Megalodon most likely produced live young. Please stay and watch another video with me, and I love to read your comments. Thank you for watching my video. See you again soon. See you guys in my next video.